back to Tech Talk, unlocking efficiencies with techOMS. My name is Adam Lavergne. Today is all about using techOMS to create kits on the fly, also referred to as soft bundling. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the future, this episode has something for everyone. All right, enough teasing, let's talk tech. In our last episode, we looked at defining product alternatives within techOMS's product catalog, allowing for intelligent product substitution. This episode, we're going to look at setting up kits on the fly. With a few clicks of the mouse, techOMS can make that happen. Now, before I show you how, first, let's start by defining what we mean when we say kitting or bundling on the fly. A kit or bundle on the fly is a random group of items that the seller decides to sell as a kit or bundle SKU, often offering the customer discounts versus purchasing each of these items individually. The benefit to the seller is it raises the average order value and subsequently the profit for the order. So why would you set up kitting on the fly in techOMS versus creating these bundles within your WMS software? Well, frankly, to save money. How? Let me walk you through it. In techOMS, you start by setting up the individual component SKUs. So in this case here, it's a phone case. With the individual component SKUs created, you create your group SKUs. So this summer phone SKU bundle we've created, and really the bundle is a collection of components or individual SKUs. So you can see here we've added the individual components. Just simply add the new line, type your SKU in. That creates the kit or the soft bundle. When an order comes in for the kit from your sales channel, techOMS breaks the order out into the individual component SKUs and then creates that shipment that is sent to WMS specifically for the individual component SKUs. What does that mean? It means that your WMS, you do not need to create a new SKU. You do not need to create the bundle SKU. You do not need to transfer inventory from the component to the bundle SKU. It means that there's no slotting activity required to support the bundle SKU. And it also negates any additional carrying costs as your bundle SKU creates or uses up a slot location. And most importantly, the creation and management of these kits can be delegated to your seller. It relieves the fulfiller of any and all responsibility to build and manage these kits. Because the component SKU is what's passed to the WMS, reality, your seller can create these soft bundles or kits on the fly until they're blue in the face and their heart's content. When it comes to inventory specific to the kit, you'll notice here we've got inventory levels. Let me pull up the individual component SKU. We've got inventory levels for the component SKU. West Warehouse has 96. And then if we look at bundles and we pull up the bundle SKU, you can see that the bundle SKU also has a calculated inventory, in this case 96, which means that 96 units is the lowest available stock on the components that create this bundle. This value, calculated SKU value or kit value, is sent to your shopping cart and updated within your shopping cart. So when a new order comes in, if a new order comes in for the bundle SKU or a new order comes in for the individual component SKUs as they can be sold alongside, techOMS, as part of its real-time inventory adjustment, will recalculate this inventory and include this as an adjustment to the sales channel, ensuring stock is always managed, balanced, and available, maximizing sales potential while avoiding chances of overselling. What's really interesting here, you can see that we've got a second SKU set up called Summertime SKU Bundle, and it's a warranty replacement. So again, within techOMS, despite these being the same component SKUs, you can use a different SKU in your shopping cart. So for example, you're using Shopify as a front end, you can have the sellable bundle, but then you can also have a back-end bundle should there be needs for customer service, warranty replacement, or what have you. Same process applies. Same SKU comes in from the channel. You'll see the original SKU number. So if it was a warranty SKU, the W would be afterwards. techOMS is going to break that into the individual components, and it's going to pass this information to the WMS for fulfillment. From a performance and from a simplicity perspective, it gives your seller a lot of flexibility in the front end, where from a fulfillment channel perspective, it's a component SKU. With kits on the fly set up, you can rest assured that techOMS has removed the cost and complexity of bundling kitting, allowing you to focus on what you do best, fulfilling orders and satisfying your customers. Tune in next month as we take a deeper dive into the automated backorder management feature within techOMS.